a dream come true. This table is packed.
That is a lot of spice. Today is all about fried chicken. We're in Tāmaki Makaurau Auckland, and seriously, we are going to have the biggest, most incredible fried chicken feast Tāmaki Makaurau has ever seen.
This is Nashville Hot Chicken, Nashville style fried chicken at our favourite place to eat fried chicken in Tāmaki Makaurau.
It's crispy, it's spicy. Well, if you want it to be, it is crazy spicy actually. This is going to be a good day.
Yes, bring it on.
I'm Thomas.
And I'm Sheena, and we're chasing a plate.
We hope you're hungry. Let's eat.
We are in Panmure at Peach's Hot Chicken. These guys excel at creating juicy, crispy, crunchy, spicy fried chicken. Let's head in and meet the team. Morning! How are you?
Thank you, good.
Good.
This wee video series we're doing is all about places we love to eat, and it's about doing a bit of a deep dive, taking you behind the scenes a bit, meeting the teams behind these places, jumping into the kitchen, seeing a bit of the action, really diving into their menus, diving into what they are, what made these businesses what they are. And Peach's is incredible. Look at this epic restaurant. They haven't opened yet, that's why there's no one in here, but this place is definitely going to fill up for lunchtime.
This is Alex George, the man behind Peach's Hot Chicken. Let's talk basics. For people who don't know, what is Nashville Hot Chicken?
So Nashville Hot Chicken originated as a punishment for infidelity back in the 70s. So man had been out all night, up to no good, came home in the morning, his partner made him some fried chicken, but she was going to get back at him, so she made it really spicy, but it backfired and he ended up loving it, and that's how Prince's Hot Chicken was born in Nashville, which has been an institution since the early 70s. So we've had about 5 decades of Nashville Hot Chicken.
Amazing. So spicy, spicy, spicy.
Spicy, spicy, spicy. It's, as you know, it's exciting and exhilarating. It awakens the senses, but it's also just kind of become like a cultural phenomenon in Nashville and now across the United States, even internationally like we are here in New Zealand. So we're happy to authentically provide that experience for everybody.
Holy Cluck. If you want to really ramp it up, that's where you go, and we're going to go there today. Super spicy levels.
We are going to order a comically large amount of fried chicken for this video. Are you ready for this, Jake?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to grab 2 big darks.
2 big darks?
I'm going to go 1 more plus and 1 medium. Oh, sorry, okay, cheese and we're going to go. This comically large order of fried chicken has been lodged with the kitchen. Now, there are 5 spice levels at Peach's. Ranges from mild, which is no spice at all the way up to holy cluck, and that is a religious experience. Well, they describe it as a religious experience. And we've had holy cluck before, and woo, it is intense. But we're going there again. We've ordered wings, we've ordered white meat, we've ordered dark meat, we've ordered all of their sides, because their sides here are just insane, and there are sides that you will not find anywhere else. Because you're from Tennessee.
I am, yeah. So I grew up in a rural town outside of Nashville, but a big night out was in Nashville. So you go to East Nashville and see some live music, and then you would end up going late at night to get some fried chicken to bring yourself back to life.
I love that.
We're very lucky to get kitchen access at some of these restaurants and really show you what they're doing, how they're doing it, and looking at this trough of bubbling hot oil, chicken wings are just coming out of it, just makes you so hungry, and it's a real treat to get in behind the scenes, see what's going on.
I was just watching Alex prepare our holy cluck, just chucking that spice liberally over the chicken, and I could feel my mouth like protesting already, but far out. The smells, the look of the chicken, it's so crispy, crunchy, golden. It's all going here. There is a pile of food stacked up. Dozen wings. Their sides. I love the sides here at Peach's. You can't miss the sides. Comically large order, eh?
I think you got. There you go.
Thank you, Jake. This is insane.
Right here.
We got a dozen wings, we got dark meat, we got white meat, varying spice levels. Don't sleep on the sides here, they're utterly delicious. Tater tots, mac and cheese, potato and gravy, pickles, slaw, chips, hush puppies, which are a savoury donut made out of cornmeal with maple whipped butter. They're hash brown bake, biscuits and gravy. I'm gonna start with drumstick medium spice, which on the menu says it'll make your lips sweat. This is the spice level that Alex recommended for a first timer. What they do, the chicken comes out of the deep fryer, it's crispy, it's crunchy, then they pour a spiced oil over it, then they shower it with more spices. Oh. This is the fried chicken of my dreams. The chicken is moist, it's juicy. That batter is crispy, it's crunchy. The spice level, like, it's good. It's very good. It's spicy, it is hot, but it's manageable. Washing it down with the porch pounder. I love what Peaches do here. This is a Peaches and a Behemoth Brewing collab. American Pale Ale, oh, that's good. For the first time customer who's never eaten here, what would you advise?
I'm a sucker. I love the biscuits, right? So growing up eating the biscuits all the time, I am a big fan of the biscuits and gravy. I would get a chicken and biscuit, maybe not together at the same time, but you could also just get a chicken and biscuit and then add on a side of gravy, which is probably my go-to. I love tater tots. Yeah. And then I wouldn't sleep on the desserts, like the banana pudding and the peanut butter mousse pie are both really, really delicious. Plus I've got a sweet tooth, I can't help it.
I can attest, they are so good. And then spice level.
I usually get medium, yeah. So like, I'll have the hot, I'll have the holy cluck from time to time, but medium's an everyday eat, you know? So.
The other thing they do actually, which we haven't ordered today, we thought we had enough food, is burgers, sandwiches, that sort of thing. So there's a whole nother side to this menu that we haven't even touched on, but the sides are incredible, so you cannot miss out on the sides.
Hush puppy in hand, I'm just dunking it in the whipped maple butter. So this is the savoury cornmeal donut, essentially. It's light, it's fluffy, and that whipped maple butter, far out.
This is the white meat, which we've never had here. We always go for the dark. This is the white meat mild plus. Tiny tingle from mild plus. Oh, that's a good little spice.
Is it juicy?
It's juicy. Look at this massive pot of pickles. Oh, the pickles here are to die for, and they break through all the spice and the fattiness, they really freshen up your mouth. The sides here are what make this a meal. So the fried chicken is incredible. But once you start adding the sides, you get a really rounded meal and a really rounded eating experience.
When we come to Peaches, we usually order like a basket of chicken each, and then we have our sides. But if you're a bigger group, they also do a dozen wings, which is an epic way to eat here. I'm a wing girl, I love my wings. This is what spice level? Mild plus, I believe. Oh, the chicken is so tender. Delicious, utterly delicious. The servings are generous. There's a generosity of spirit here when it comes to the food as well as the people. The team are always welcoming, friendly. You feel like you're eating in someone's dining room, like you feel welcome, and I think that's really important in a eating establishment. Like, you feel good eating here. Far out. We've talked about in the past how the recipes here, like you say, they're authentic, they're genuine, but a lot of these are your recipes from home, like your family recipes.
Yeah, so there is a lot of recipes that have come and been adapted from staples that I grew up with across the whole board. So like the fried chicken method is obviously a little bit different than grandma frying it in the Dutch oven on the stovetop. because we've obviously teched up and got some better equipment, but all of the fundamentals are still there, as well as the processes that take place before it gets into the fryer. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of, anybody can do it. It's really simple, but it takes time, and then it takes effort to follow those processes. So, and then the spice adaptation as well is like, you know, Mama Jean didn't really make it that hot, but she still would enjoy all of this comfort food that we provide, and things like the mac and cheese or the mashed potatoes and gravy. We would sometimes run fried okra, which is one of my favorites as a special, and I try to serve it the way that Mama Jean would, like on a ripped up brown paper bag, straight out on it, salt, a little bit of dipping sauce.
The great thing about some of the sides here is that they are things you will not find elsewhere, or you will not find commonly elsewhere in Tāmaki Makaurau, even in New Zealand. Like the biscuits and gravy, you do not see that around, and it is one heck of a side.
I think that's what I love about your food, because it's so unique. It's not something that you find in Auckland very often, if at all. Like, I've eaten biscuits and gravy here. Like, where else do you find that in Auckland?
Mate, I was raised on biscuits and gravy. We used to eat that every morning for breakfast. So there was like several years that I lived with my grandmother, because my parents were working overnight in a factory, third shift. And so we would stay the night with her, and she'd get us up and get us ready for school every morning, and she'd make fresh biscuits and gravy. And then we go, and then we come home, and she'd make something for our afternoon snack. It was like really, really nice.
I love that. I love that you're honoring your family traditions at Peaches.
Yeah, and I think that they're all really proud and happy to see us do it. I think they all wish that we were a little bit closer to their neck of the woods, but you know, I get a lot of really good, supportive, positive feedback from my family about what we're doing here, which is great.
I mean, it's not much to look at, but it is a flavour sensation, I promise you that. A biscuit is similar to a scone, and then it's just covered in this pork gravy. Far out. Insane. The biscuit is super fluffy, it's soft, the pork gravy is creamy, it's got that pork sausage flavour. You gotta eat this.
It's sleeves up time, because we have talked about the holy Cluck, as you can see up there on the wall, and this is something wild. I mean, if you are into very, very spicy food, come here and have this. Honestly, I'm a bit scared. I've eaten this before, and I'm a little bit scared to eat it now. Here we go, for you. Oh, my word. The chicken's so juicy. You can still, you can still taste the chicken. And, whoa. Okay, the first few seconds you're like, oh, that's delicious. It's not gonna, and then it just goes, wow. It's everywhere. It is such a sharp tingle. You know that that's not going away. Oh, the behemoth bear. Oh, yeah. That is a lot of spice. Personally, I ain't gonna be ordering that. It's a bit too much for me, but if you are into spicy stuff, come here, eat this, enjoy the burn. It is serious, it's next level burn. It's gotta be Auckland's hottest chicken, New Zealand's hottest chicken, surely.
Thank you. Whoa.
A very recent discovery for us here at Peaches is the puddings. We have come here many, many times, and we hadn't had the puddings until our last visit. We always thought it's a fried chicken joint, like focusing on what they're going to be good at, which is the fried chicken. Last time we came, they gifted us a couple of puddings to try. Oh, God.
What?
Wow, these are incredible. And also, again, particularly this banana pudding. It's something you just do not find anywhere. So just like a lot of the sides, very unique, super different for here in New Zealand.
2 puddings on the menu, the banana pudding and then the peanut butter mousse pie. Look at that. Peanut butter mousse, biscuit base, chocolate, cream, nuts. And the banana pudding is vanilla custard, wafer, banana and cream. The ultimate mouthful. Can I manage it? Yes, I can. Whoa. That is utterly, utterly delicious. Perfectly whipped cream, silky smooth. The custard has been infused by that banana, just slices of banana. And then that wafer, which is sort of like a soft biscuit, the type that you would use in like a tiramisu. It's gone all soft and just mushy. Oh, it's great. Eat this.
And not to be ignored is the peanut butter mousse pie. Ooh.
If you're after something a little bit richer after your fried chicken feast.
Wow, it's so rich, so delicious. Oh, the textures.
So smooth.
So good. Come to Peaches now. If you've been here before, haven't been for a while, come back to Peaches. What a spot. Amazing team, amazing location here in Panmure, and just fantastic food. Unreal.
So good. Eat here now. This place is just, it's bloody great.
Women, great. Cheers to
Cheers.
Peaches. Thanks for watching.